Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee, and I'm back to show you guys this new product that I got my hands on. It's the everHot Instant Heat Thermal Cap. So you can apply any deep conditioner of your choice or a hot oil treatment. I'm using Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. You want to make sure you coat your strands with the product, distributing through your hair nice and evenly. Once you open the everHot Instant Heat Thermal Cap, heat starts to generate without any electricity, or you do not need to put the cap in the microwave to heat it up. Here I'm just showing you how the cap looks on the inside and the outside. So in the inside it has special protective film that's waterproof, so there's no need for you to place an extra plastic cap on your head before placing the everHot on top of your head. And the cleanup is going to be easy. When I'm done with the cap, you just toss it in the trash. One time use. Today is actually my clean day, so I have to clean my house as well. And since I do not have to be stuck to the wall with a cord attached, I could go ahead and start my chores. As you can see, I could check some emails, and the everHot is still nice and hot. Just giving it a touch. It's been about 20 minutes. After checking emails, I can vacuum my floor and straighten up around my room. For 15% off your everHot Instant Heat Cap, use code 4U15. It's been 2 hours and my hair is still warm. If you can see in the right hand corner, you can see a little steam coming from my hair. This cap is amazing. My hair feels so good, nice and moisturized. Curls are popping. The directions said to wear the cap for 35 to 55 minutes, but I chose to keep it on longer so I can have a deeper, longer, intensive penetration. This is my hair the next day after styling. When I took off the heating cap, my hair was so moisturized. It felt so, if you saw my curls, they were nice and bouncy. So you just style your hair as you desire. With this style, I did wave formers. So I did a video on that on my channel. I'll leave the video link right here and down in the description box if you want to see how I got this hairstyle. And you will get some amazing results. I really love that heating cap. But I know that using that heating cap with my deep conditioner really helped my curls to come back to life. So, see you next time. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.